Hello, writing friends. I am coming to you this morning with a big announcement. At Write2Ignite, we have decided that we are going to go virtual this year for our first master class with Joyce Hostetter on September 19th. That means you don't need to wear a mask. We won't be taking temperatures. And you can wear whatever you're comfortable in. So that could be your yoga clothes or your pajamas or a bathing suit. We don't care. We just hope to see you at our first masterclass with Joyce on writing fiction. We will miss seeing you in person, but we're hoping that we're going to be able to interact with even more people from beyond North Carolina and South Carolina. We have a couple of people signed up from Australia right now. So this is open to anybody, and we're excited about that. I am particularly looking forward to learning more about dialogue and making my characters memorable. You want to make your characters memorable, don't you? You want your audience to remember those people that you have created in your fiction. And I'm looking forward to what Joyce will have to tell us about that. So it's going to be a full day. Joyce will be teaching, and then we'll have breakout sessions for interactive writing activities. Joyce will provide those activities, and then we'll have different Zoom rooms. The whole platform will be on Zoom. So we'll have different Zoom rooms with different members of the Write2Ignite staff facilitating your writing and those exercises. And I'm also excited because Joyce is going to be using an activity out of my book, Teaching the Story, Fiction Writing in Grades 4 through 8, so that you will get to see a little bit of me and some of the work that I have done. And if you come, we have this great door prize. One person is going to receive a set of the Baker's Mountain books that Joyce wrote. This is not a complete set because it doesn't have Drive, but I will have Drive to send to you too. It's not going to be totally complete because Equal is coming out next spring. So I hope that you will join us for this virtual fiction writing masterclass on September 19th. And the link to register will be on this page. So I hope to meet some new friends. Bring a friend, have a watch party at your house so that the two of you or three of you or four of you can do this writing conference together. Of course, maybe you'll have to wear masks, but maybe not. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot. Bye.